thank you very much that I can be here. So far we have heard a lot about technologies, innovations in the field of technologies. Now I would like to speak about architecture, because everything what you see in the end, that's architecture, good or bad architecture. And I think we don't speak about big things. That's why I say this is a shift in quite ordinary matters. I always have some problem if I have to explain what is an active house. It's very easy if we say we have the passive house and then we have the active house. We have just one smiley for the passive house and the gray people, and two smileys for the active house and, let's say, green people. Why are they green? And this is one focus of, for us, for our office of architecture. Because we have different stakeholders and they have to be aware that an active house acts differently, and they have to use the active house in a different way as a passive house. So this is a very important focus, and we have to make people aware of the fact that we are not no more about styling here. I mean, we don't want to make just beautiful buildings, but we have to solve problems together with engineers, civil engineers. But if we have the civil engineers, just the civil engineers, then you get pictures like that, diagrams like that about water consumption or heating methods, but no architecture. It's all about innovation, but not about spaces. And what I find very important, and this is also a slight shift in my eyes, is if we take first architecture and then the civil engineers, then we have more fun, more beautiful houses, and still we have the creativity and innovation at the same time. But then we can create spaces which are not usual, what you see here, which can be part of the active house way of thinking, which can be part of the civil engineering, but they have to be different. So it's very important that you have not to stick to the old ideas about houses. They are going to look different in the future if we really use this active house technology. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.